Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce interest on loans with Prosper, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reduce interest on loans with Prosper, start by understanding the platform. Visit the Prosper website and create an account if you don't already have one. Gather all relevant information about your loans, including balances and interest rates. Evaluate your credit score, as this will influence your loan options. Research the current interest rates on Prosper for personal loans. Determine how much you wish to borrow, keeping in mind the existing loan amounts. Fill out the loan application on the Prosper platform, ensuring accuracy in all details. Submit documentation to verify your income and any other required information. Review your loan options once Prosper generates them for you. Compare the interest rates, terms, and monthly payments of the new loan against your existing loans. Select the loan that offers the best financial advantage. Accept the loan agreement after reading the terms and conditions thoroughly. Use the funds from the new loan to pay off your higher interest loans. Make sure to confirm that the payments to your previous lenders have been processed. Set up a budget to manage your payments on the new loan. Consider making extra payments whenever possible to reduce the principal balance. Monitor your credit score after the refinancing process to observe any improvements. Stay informed about Prosper's offerings, as they may change over time. Keep your financial habits in check to maintain a good credit score for future borrowing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.